Downtown Minneapolis at 9 o'clock this morning, virtually closed for the day. Only a few snowplows and MTC buses were making their way through the normally crowded streets. Discretion being the better part of valor, a lot of store owners decided not to open for business today here in downtown Minneapolis. They knew it would be hard getting to work. They also knew that many of their customers just wouldn't show up because of the storm. Also closed today, the University of Minnesota, city and county government offices, and the post office canceled all mail deliveries.
Minneapolis emergency. Okay, the police are only responding on high priority calls as we only have about 4 squads covering the entire city.
The Hennepin County Communication Center was able to handle both emergency and non-emergency calls. Some heart attack deaths have been directly attributed to the storm.
Not that I'm aware of at this point, but we are very concerned about our ability to reach the people who are in need. Some real problems in accessing people who might need an ambulance or the fire department, something of that nature. And obviously the police department is having a difficult time getting around as well.
By mid-afternoon, downtown street conditions had improved, but it will be tomorrow at the earliest before they'll be able to handle anything even approaching normal traffic levels. Until then, the best advice for everyone is to stay at home where it's safe, warm, and dry. Dave Andrews, Channel 5, Eyewitness News.